I'm Damon Hatfield and this is IGN News. Various job listings for developer Spark Unlimited indicate its Ninja Gaiden spinoff, Yaiba, Ninja Gaiden Z, will be a third-person combat game on next-generation consoles. A senior designer listing says, Spark is looking for an experienced senior designer to create first-in-class content for a breakout hit based on the established console franchise Ninja Gaiden called Yaiba Ninja Gaiden Z. This is an opportunity for you to have a hand in creating a bold new take on third-person action slasher with horror elements. The senior designer will be responsible for, among other things, tuning for a third-person action shooter on next-generation consoles. Positions for an effects artist and engineer further corroborate the Yaiba will be a next-generation console game, although neither of these listings indicate it's a shooter. IGN inquired with Tecmo about the information but has yet to receive a comment. Yaiba was officially revealed as a Ninja Gaiden game at the Tokyo Game Show this year. It's a twist on Ninja Gaiden where Ryu Hayabusa is actually the bad guy and you are one of his victims that has arisen from the dead and is out for revenge. The project is spearheaded by Dead Rising vet and Mega Man creator Keiji Inafune in collaboration with Spark Unlimited. Let me know how you're feeling about Yaiba Ninja Gaiden Z in the comments below. And for more video game news, stay tuned to IGN.